Hello everyone, welcome to another Temu tutorial. Now today I will show you how to leave a review on Temu. So basically leaving a review on Temu is really simple. All you have to do is obviously log in, and you can do this on your app or within your desktop right here, like I'm on my desktop right now. So basically all you need to do is again sign in, go to your orders. From the right click you have orders and accounts, so go to your orders, find the relevant order and open the order details page. So just go and click on the order and find the details page, click leave a review, and you will then be able to leave individual reviews and ratings and upload photos as well or videos for each item you order, just like on AliExpress, for example. Now, the more descriptive you are with your review, the more helpful it will be to other customers, obviously. So you can go here, and when you're done leaving your reviews, you can click submit button at the bottom of your page. Now, if for some reason this is not helpful and you need more help in leaving a review, sometimes you will not have option to leave a review. If that is not the option, or if that is not the case, then make sure to start live chat and solve your problem through Temu support. Temu support is great, and they will be able to help you with everything you want. And yeah, you will basically be able to leave a review in a very quick way. But if you want to leave a review, this is basically the process. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.